Hey everyone, welcome back to SouthDelhiFloors property vlogs. So normally we always cover luxury properties, but this property is sheer luxury. It's a 338 square yards basement and ground duplex in Geetanjali Enclave, South Delhi. A 4 bedrooms luxury duplex with an exclusive lift, exclusive entrance and a separate driveway for 4 car parkings. A very spacious drawing and dining. All Italian marble flooring with diamond polish, classy false ceiling, large doors and windows, ductable 𝗕𝗏𝗵 air conditioning, and a very well designed front balcony. Now this is the first bedroom adjoining to the drawing room, which shares the same front balcony and a super luxury wardrobe. And this is the luxury bathroom attached to it, with Italian stone cladding on the walls, luxury vanity, gold finish bathroom fittings and accessories, and additional wardrobe space inside the bathroom. And a very well planned shower cubicle area. And this is the spacious, very well designed modular kitchen. The kitchen also has pre-loaded inbuilt appliances by 𝗕𝗏 such as chimney, hob, microwave oven, and also a dishwasher. To add to the comfort, there is an AC also in the kitchen. Now the spacious foyer leads us to the second bedroom. Very modern false ceiling, all Italian marble flooring and ductable air conditioning. And a very stylish bathroom designed in a dark color theme. Guys, this is my favorite bathroom in this house. Very artistically designed. A hanging style mirror and a very stylish vanity. Moving forward to the third bedroom, even this bedroom also has a balcony attached to it. Amazing interiors detailing, there's a wardrobe also and a lot of detailing work on the wall. Now this is the luxury bathroom attached to it. Amazing ambient lighting has been used to enhance the look and feel of this bathroom. Now this is the fourth bedroom of this 4 bedrooms builder-floor apartment. Every room has been very well planned with different interior styling on the walls. And this is the bathroom attached with the 4th bedroom. With best-in-class bathroom and sanitary fittings. In this bathroom, cooler fittings have been used. And this is the shower cubicle area with rose gold finish fixtures. In this building, only basement and ground floor duplex is available. Rest all the floors including the top floor with terrace have been already sold. But we still want to show you this amazing terrace garden because the same builder is coming with upcoming projects in 𝗪𝗏𝗪 Enclave as well as Green Park that still has top floor with terrace garden available. For site visit of this amazing property in Geetanjali Enclave, just call 9999004511. And we can also meet you and show you the upcoming penthouses by the same builder in South Delhi. This amazing penthouse looks even more beautiful during the night time.